Let's take 5 to the power x as a. This equation becomes 10a plus 1 by a is equal to 29. So 10a square plus 1 divided by a is 29. Bring the denominator to the right hand side and this becomes 10a square plus 1 is equal to 29a. Let's bring everything to one side. So 10a square minus 29a plus 10 is equal to 0. Write this as 10a square minus 25a minus 4a plus 10 equal to 0. 5a into 2a minus 5 minus 2. 2a minus 5 is equal to 0. This becomes 5a minus 2 and 2a minus 5 equal to 0. Hence, a is equal to 2 by 5 or 5 by 2. So, 5 to the power x is equal to either 2 by 5 or is equal to 5 by 2. To solve for this, take log base 5 both the sides. First equation become log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 2 by 5. And second is log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 5 by 2. So this become x log of 5 is equal to log of 2 minus log of 5. Similarly here x log 5 is equal to log of 5 minus log of 2. This is equal to 1. So x is equal to log of 2 to the base 5 minus 1. Also x is equal to 1 minus log of 2 to the base 5. Thanks for watching and keep learning.